when you want to install this flush toilet, so I measure the center line. This is H, and that one is another H. So you measure the distance from the wall to the center here. It's about 30 centimeter or 40 centimeter. Then you measure, then you select your toilet, and you draw the line, the H, right here, and another H right here. You measure from the bottom of the toilet. Then you put on. So this is another one. This is for the leveling. So you make sure when you put on, the lavatory has to be level. So and make sure you put the O-ring on the other side. So this is about 40 centimeter to the center line of the toilet, flush toilet pipe. So it's about 40 centimeter. Measure the width of the toilet pipe and measure the center line. And also this here, measure this size, center line, so that you can draw the two line here, from here, center to here, and this another center to here. There's another line here, right here. So this is the end. This is the front. So then the other side is end of the right here. So this is an additional to leveling. So when you lift up and make sure to center, put a pipe on this area. So then you can edge from here and here. You can only see the edge here and also here. So this will control. You make sure your flush toilet center around in this area. So this is O-ring. Okay. So this is edge. You see the edge, and this one will be toward to the bottom, toward in the inside the pipe. So this is the guideline when you lift up and make sure to wiggle size, and you put this here and here. Okay, then the O-ring, you remove when you want to install. Remove this the paper, then you put on here, then you lift up, turn up, and move to there, and use this edge to control and wiggle and make sure this all is in there. All this pipe will go inside pipe. So the edge will be aligned here. Another one is here and here. Oh, this is leverage.
多想留念在你的